In this video, I'll show you how to message people on Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, at first, you need to be logged into your Discord account, right? This is our Discord account, and you can join any Discord server of your choice. I previously made a video about that on how you can find new Discord servers. I'll be attaching that video link in this video description, so ensure you check it out whenever you're free, right? So I want to message someone from here. So I've joined this Discord server named Content Central. So I want to message someone from here, right? So I'll show you how you can message people on Discord. So I want to message this guy. His name is Aura from the viral tag, right? So I'll click on his profile. I'll wait for it to open. Then you'll see this message. Click on here. I can come on here and type, "Hey friend, hey friend, what's up?" Right? What's up? So once I'm done with this, I would click the enter button on my keyboard, right? Enter. So I've sent this guy a message now. So you can see this is it. "Hey friend, what's up?" So once you have sent people message on Discord, it will be displayed on this direct messages option, right? So this is it. So this is how you can send someone message on Discord. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.